Perfect evening. My name is Brother Wilfred.
Perfect evening. My name is Marie.
I'm a son of the house, Spirit Revelation Church. I thank God for directing my footsteps to Spirit Revelation Church. Me and my wife, we've been married for 5 years now. We've actually been together for 9 years, married 5 years. We're actually celebrating our 5th anniversary on the 5th of March.
And I've been expecting to have the fruit of the womb, but there's been difficulties. I came through a lot by going to hospital. I was diagnosed in 2014 with breast cancer, and I was having chemotherapy, also radiotherapy. And the doctors told me there's only 20% of me getting pregnant. So there was a time coming in my life where I thought it will never happen to me. But in November, when we were having the teachings for the 7 days, and we came for the prayer points on the Sunday, so I also give my prayer points, my 7 prayer points, and I have the first prayer point was for the fruit of the womb.
And it happened on the conference that Papa held in November. Me and my wife, we are also part of the congregants. And on that Saturday, Papa had to impact everyone who attended the conference. Papa prayed for my wife, and Papa also prayed for me. And without really knowing something was coming, in December, my wife actually got a pregnancy test. Then she tested and found that it was positive.
After that, I found out that I was pregnant.
When the doctor told me that my wife is pregnant and everything was perfect, to me it was an answered prayer, because for the past 5 years we've been actually waiting. I've been expecting to have a child.
I was so overwhelmed and so happy because God has answered my prayers. And even for everything Papa was saying when he prayed for me, whenever he prayed for me, he was saying that you're going to receive a baby boy. So I would like to thank Mama and Papa for their prayers, for their declarations, for their time, everything they spent in our lives. I'd like to thank them for that, and I'd like to thank God for sending Mama and Papa here. Because for me it was even difficult in the first time to come to church. But the first night when my husband came in, he told me we're going to go to church, so I came. I actually received that night already that this is where I must be. And I thank God for that, because if it wasn't for Mama and Papa, I don't know what would happen to our lives. And also to my marriage, I don't know what would happen, because it wasn't easy. It wasn't easy at all for our marriage. But I thank God for everything, and I thank Mama and Papa for everything, because now I'm expected so to receive our child, and we are happy for that.
On the 27th of September, my car got stolen. But when Papa prayed for us in November, and even on the December prayers, I have been always expecting that my car was going to come back. But I thank God on the 2nd of January, I bought another car, and I thank the Lord for the blessing.
On Tuesday, I came for healing night with Papa, and then I had a prayer request. My prayer request was for divine protection for my pregnancy. And when Papa was ministering to me, I don't know but it was just something burning when Papa was ministering to me. And I heard that Papa was asking my husband, did I told him about a man coming in my dreams.
Has he told you of lately there's a man visiting her in the dream? Yeah. And she's pregnant. Yeah. It's been continuously. Says there's an attack on the pregnancy. The name of the Lord.
I didn't actually remember that time what Papa was saying, so I went down. As we talked about it, I tried to remember what is this, what Papa is talking about. So then I told my husband that it's almost like when we have words for each other, and then I always dream at night It's like a spiritual husband. I always dream at night then it's my husband, but this person comes in the form of my husband. And then it's always him coming to me. So that's what Papa was talking about. And I like to thank Papa for that, because if I didn't came, we were not going to know what actually to focus on. Because we were not going to know that there's an attack on the pregnancy. We were just going to flow and go on as usual. But I like to thank God for sending Papa, because that's really, Papa is the sent one. And he's the one who saw what is happening and what's going to happen. And I thank God for that. I would like to thank God, because God keeps on showing me that how much He loves me. He keeps on showing me His love. He keeps on showing me that He is alive. Even when I feel at times that no, this and this is not going right, but He keeps on showing me. He keeps on, because God took me, I was very young when I started with the breast cancer. There was a time where they said there's nothing they can even do. But still God took me through that. He showed me what He can do. And even now with my marriage, He showed me I can still do it. Because I was giving up. As a woman, I was giving up that it will never happen. When I see other people walking and hearing people are pregnant, I just thought it will never happen to me, because what I heard and what I went through. But still, because of the teachings of the house, I had that faith. And I thank God for the faith that I have. And I thank Mama and Papa for the faith they're putting in us. Because still through them, I have that faith to believe that God is alive and God can still do it. And if God can do it for me, He can do it also for others. I would just like to thank my husband also, because he never gave up. He was always there. Even for everything I put him through, he was always there. He was still the one who was coming, even if things go bad, whatever, he was the one who was there. And I would like to thank him for that, for never give up. And when it came to the operation, he was there for me, day and night. He was there. Even now, I know it's difficult because we don't have children in our marriage, but still, he was there. He didn't give up. He also have that faith, and I thank God for the faith God put in him and in me. And I thank Mama and Papa for that.